guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. In today's video we're doing Poetry Cowgirl nail polish from PBE 2023. I bought an assortment. These are sparkly in the like metallic precious metals family, and then of course this very fancy red, and they gave me this glass nail file, and then I got 3 mystery polishes, so we're gonna check out all of them. Okay, so our first one is this gold, and it has holographic glitters in it, and as well as gold glitters. Very pretty. This shade is called Buckle Bunny. Now this is one of those more antique-y gold shades. Gold is an interesting one because it comes in a couple of different tones. And actually it looks like this has some hollow flakes as well. It's not just glitter. That is unexpected and interesting. I think 2 coats is going to be the right amount of coats for this though. This one's that more vibrant gold. Same hollow glitter. Same with the gold flakes. Same clear base. These do appear to just be glitters. You can apply these with sponges as well to help soak up that clear base and put a more opaque layering of glitter. Yeah, that's beautiful. Very nice. I am loving it. Now here we are in that rose gold pink family. Same hollow glitter, same goldish flakes, but this base is a pink tinted clear. I don't know if I told you, but this one was called 24 karat. I might have forgot. This one though is called Flamingo, and it's from Polish and Dreams LE, whatever that means. The other ones are not. Also, just to point out, the label's a little different. I have another polish that kind of gives me this vibe, but it doesn't have the hollow, but it is in the same vein of pink shimmer clearness, you know. Very cute. Also matches my table. Alright, let's have a look at this one. This one is a densely packed silver hollow. I do have some other silver hollows. This one also appears to have a bit of a greeny yellow shimmer, but I might just be making that up because the camera can't see it at all, but we are at slightly different angles. Maybe it's a bottle reflect. This one is called Diamond Queen. Oh yes, how beautiful. It is more densely packed than those others though. This one is a fantastic example of holographic glitter in its silver base as they do traditionally come. It is less dense than the ones that I have already though. And this one's our outlier. It is not a glitter like any of the others. In fact, it's a red shimmer. And I got this one because my daughter was a huge fan and brought it to my attention. It is beautiful. This reminds me of that classic lipstick red. This one is called Hot Rod. Oh yes, look at that coverage. I would say this definitely needs at least 2 coats, but it is going to be beautiful when it does opaque up, and it is nice and self-leveling, so it is kind of closing up those streaks. I wish you could see it in the camera the way that I see it in real life. It's very different. This one's almost more purpley, but maybe that's just the way the camera screen is presenting it to me. In editing, I'll be able to tell better. Oh yes, it is. I know y'all are hearing that. That is a big thunder. It is storming. Let's check out these mystery polishes. Huh. So it's a blue base with a copper and gold glitter, but also I see some green and some pink in here. We need to shake this up. It's been sitting. Some people think you should just roll your polishes so you don't fill them full of air bubbles, but for me, I like to really jostle them and give them a bang because I feel like it helps to dislodge glitter, but it seems like this glitter is lodged really well. I'm gonna have to let this sit maybe upside down for a while so it can run. This one is called We're All Alright. We Are All Alright from HHC July 2019. interesting brush. It's one of a bit of a rounder one. So I would say this would definitely, for me at least, fall in the fall season, just because of the shades of the glitters involved. And then this blue is more of a dusty blue, so I feel like it would also work well during the fall season. But I actually do like it. This one's a bit of a browny gray, and it has glitter. I can see some red kicking up in there, and at extreme angles kind of an orange, but maybe it's also black. This one is called Love Bug. Let's look at it. It's almost like a sandy shade, and the black specks are tiny, but I think it's kind of interesting. Actually, it's a very earthy vibe. Another one that I would probably employ during the fall time. However, with the lightness of this brown, it's almost giving me more winter to early spring vibes. And our last mystery. Is this the same one? I got two of the same. Wow, way to go, Megan. Ugh, I did the picking. I should have picked them further apart. Well, I don't need to make another swatch of this because you've seen it, but since I have two, I guess this one will go in a future giveaway. Alright, so that is it for Poetry Cowgirl. Let me know what you think. They are all quite beautiful. I'm a little sad that I got a duplicate because I did have to pay for these. But, you know, mystery is fun, and hopefully it can make someone else happy in the future. So I'll wrap this one up. I've got a few more to go. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.